In this video, we will introduce you to SRS Industries, a design and manufacturing company of captive spring-loaded screw knob fasteners. SRS Industries is specifically orientated to meet the dynamics needs of the industrial, medical, aerospace, marine, and the defense industry. Thank you for joining us at SRS Industries. This is one of a series of videos that will introduce you to our products and show you various configurations that can be performed using our captive screw knob fasteners. For additional information, visit our website at srsindustries.com or call us at 630-569-5007. Captive knob assemblies that stay attached to your product. No more loose knobs or hardware. Take the time and see our entire video gallery by going to our website, YouTube, or Facebook. Our series of knobs consist of knurled knobs, star knobs, and cast iron knobs. There are two types of mounting configurations. One is a threaded collet, and the second is a retainer collet. Specials. We understand there are times that standard off-the-shelf items do not meet your needs. See all of our series of videos by going to our website, YouTube, or Facebook. We have many variations of captive knob fasteners and types of usage configurations. See you on our next video. It's SRS Industries, 630-569-5007.